Hello everyone and welcome to Fatma Sami's channel. Today's video is for the second grade semester 2. In this video, we're gonna learn some sounds and spelling in Unit 8. Unit 8. In this page, we're gonna learn the sound ow. Exercise number 1. Look, listen, and repeat. Cloud, cloud. Town, town. Shout, shout. Mouth, mouth. Count, count. Clown, clown. Frown, frown. Down, down. Exercise number 2. Listen and chant. Ow, ow, cloud. Ow, ow, shout. Oh, oh, mouth. Oh, oh, count. Oh, oh, town. Oh, oh, down. Oh, oh, frown. Oh, oh, clown. Exercise number 3. Listen and repeat. Circle the sound ow and match. Let's see the answers. Number 1, clown. Number 2, frown. Number 3, town. Number 4, down. Exercise number 4. Listen, order, and write. Let's see the answers. Number 1, clown. Number 2, frown. Exercise number 5. Match, write, and say. Let's see the answers. Number 1, clown. Number 2, mouth. Number 3, shout. Number 4, frown. Exercise number 6. Listen, say, and spell. Let's see the answers. Number 1, count. Number 2, down. Number 3, shout. Number 4, town. Exercise number 7. Listen and read. Choose and write. Let's see the answers. Number 1. What have you got? I have got a hat. Number 2. When is it wet? It's wet in the spring. Graded Reader 1. Clown feet. I have got a big box in my bedroom. I put on my clown hair. I put on my red clown nose. I put on my big clown feet. Look at all the clouds. I swing up and down. My clown feet go up and down. Look out, shouts Tame. I frown. Clown feet are so big. Clown feet are not good on a swing. Tame helps me. I stand up. I like my clown nose. I like my clown hair. But I take off my clown feet. I swing up and down all day. Look at that cloud. Graded Reader 2. The cat on the bus. We are on the bus in town. Look, there is a cat on the bus. Dad has got a big frown. He counts to 5 and he shouts, "Get out, cat!" The cat jumps down the steps. Look, the cat is in our hall. Mom has got a big frown. She counts to 5 and shouts, "Get out, cat!" The cat runs down the path. Where is the cat? It's here. It's in our shed. The cat has got a big frown. I count to 5 and I smile. Here, cat, do you like milk? We have reached to the end of our video today. Thank you for listening and watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.